Good morning, children. Today's subject is maths. Today we are going to see the chapter number 4, that is multiplication and division. Children, in last period we have started the problem set 14. Okay, in that we have completed question 1, 2 and 3. So from question 1 I gave some examples to solve yourself as a homework. Okay, I think everyone have completed these all 12 examples from question 1 and this question number 2 and 3 also over in last period. So today we are going to see the question number 4. It is also word problem. So let's see the question number 4 what it is. One computer cost 27,540 rupees. Okay, one computer cost 27,540 rupees. How much will 18 such computers cost? Then how much will 18 such computer cost? See again one time. I am going to read the question, so listen it properly. Everyone also open your textbook and see the question in your textbook only. Okay. See, one computer cost means what it is? Cost of one computer. Yes, cost of one computer how much? 27,540 rupees. And what they ask? How much will 18 such computers cost? Then if the cost of one computer is given, then how much we have to find? 18 computers. What is the cost for 18 computer? That is the question. एक कंप्यूटर की कीमत दी है. यस ओके एंड पूछा कितने कंप्यूटर्स की कॉस्ट 18 कंप्यूटर्स. एक का दिया है 18 का पूछा है. अंडरस्टूड द क्वेश्चन एवरीवन? यस. When one thing is given and when they ask the many things, we have to do which operation? Yes, we have to do the multiplication. Everyone keep in mind. When one thing is given and we have to find the many things, then we have to do the multiplication. So let's see how to solve the question number 4. So let's see the question number 4. First we have to write the given information, cost of one computer and number of computer. Now we have to do the multiplication here. Okay, here for the given number we have to multiply by 2 digit. First we have to multiply by 8, then by 1. Okay, so let's start with 8. 8 0 0. 8 4 za, yes, 8 4 za 32. So we have to write 2 here, carry 3. Then 8 5 za, 8 5 za 40. 40 plus 3 is 43. So 3 here, carry 4. Then 8 7 za, yes, 8 7 za 56. 56 plus 4 is 60. So 0 we have to write here, carry 6. Okay, understood? Then 8 2 za 16. Yes, 8 2 za 16. 16 plus 6 is, yes, 22. So here first step over. Now we have to multiply by 1. So yes, everyone keep in mind. While we are going for second step, we have to give 1 0 to the unit place. Okay, everyone keep in mind. Now multiply by 1. 1 0 0. 1 4 za 4. 1 5 za 5. 1 7 za 7. And 1 2 za 2. Okay, so here we complete the second step. Now we have to do the addition. So 0 plus 0 is 0. 2 plus 0 is 2. 3 plus 4 is 7. 0 plus 5 is 5. 2 plus 7 is 9. And 2 plus 2 is 4. So what is the cost for 18 computer is? Yes, 4,95,720. 4,95,720 is the cost for 18 computers. So the cost for, see, therefore 18 computers will cost rupees 4,95,720. As here place is not there, so I am writing like that, but you write it properly systematically on the next line. After the solving example on next line, you have to write the answer in a word, in a sentence form only. Okay, so 18 computers will cost rupees 4,95,720. Understood everyone? Yes. So see it properly. Now let's see the fifth one. So let's see the fifth one. Under the Inspire Award scheme, 5,000 rupees per student were granted, okay, for purchase of science project material. If 154 students in a certain taluka were covered under the scheme, find the total amount granted to that taluka. See, again one time I am going to read the question. Under the Inspire Award scheme, one scheme is there, okay, their name they given. 5,000 rupees per student were granted for purchase of science project material. Now in our school also having no science exhibition, okay. So under that scheme, but here what they are giving the rupees for students to purchase the material which required for the project, okay. प्रोजेक्ट के लिए जो सामान और जो मटेरियल्स लगने वाले हैं दैट वी फॉर परचेसिंग, वो लाने के लिए ये स्कीम है, ओके, इंस्पायर अवार्ड स्कीम. सो हाउ मच अमाउंट दे आर गिवन 5,000 रुपीज़. कितने रुपीज़ देने वाले हैं? 5,000 रुपीज़ पर स्टूडेंट्स. One student, for each student they are giving 5,000 rupees. Then see, if 154 students in a certain taluka were covered under the scheme, then how many students they are selected? Yes, 154 students were covered under the scheme. Then find the total amount granted to that taluka. Okay, then what we have to find? We have to find here total amount granted to that taluka. Means for these total students, how much amount they granted, that we have to find. Yes, per students की कीमत दी है, okay, per students, and number of students also given. एक का दिया है ज़्यादा. Yes, they ask the many students. One thing is given, one student's amount is given, and they ask the many students amount. So what we have to do? Yes, we have to do here multiplication. Again you keep in mind, when one thing is given and when they ask the many things, we have to do the multiplication. So let's see how to solve the fifth one. So first we have to write the given thing. Grant per students, how much amount they granted? 5,000 rupees, and number of students are 154. So let's see the multiplication here. So first we have to multiply by 4, then by 5, then by 1. So start with 4. Very easy, very simple multiplication. It is a 5, huh? Don't be confused. So now 4 0 0 4 0 0 4 0 0 4 5s are 20. Okay, 4 5s are 20. So this first step over. Now we have to multiply by 5. So before going to the second step, we have to use 1 0. This is extra 0. Okay, for unit place. Now multiply by 5. 5 0 0 5 0 0 5 0 0 5 5s are 25. So this second step over. Now while we have to go to the third step, we have to use 2 extra zeros. One for unit place, one for tens place. So here 2 zeros are there. Now multiply by 1. 1 0 0 1 0 0 1 0 0 1 5s are 5. 1 5s are 5. So here multiplication over. Now we have to do the addition of all these 3 steps. Okay. So now 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0. 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 2 plus 5u plus 0 is 7. And 2 plus 5u is 7 also. Okay. So here we complete this multiplication. So how much rupees granted for that taluka is what? Yes, 7,70,000 rupees. 7,70,000 rupees granted for that taluka. So answer also we have to write in a word form. So therefore total amount granted is 7,70,000 rupees. Yes, 7,70,000 rupees. So here we seen the question number 4 and 5. So let's see the sixth one in a next part.